guys, and welcome to my first toy review. So we're going to be checking out my lovely pet puppy. So this is not hard to open at all. It's really easy. All you need to do is this. It's just, there's no tape or anything. I got this at Columbus. So it was only $4, which is good. It's cheap, but it's really fun to play with. You'll see. Right now it just looks like a random puppy. Let me open this up. So here's our puppy. Let me grab her. Here we go. Here's our puppy. Oh, she's so close. Here she is. So she has sunglasses we can put on. So let's turn her on. There are buttons right here. And she just walks around. And she makes noises. She barks. It's adorable, but she's fun. She's dancing. This is a quick toy review because, well, it's really easy to open. It's not that much to it, but she can do loads of things. She can walk around, bark, dance. And there's an off button, so if you want this to stop, do that. Just switch it. If you don't want it like this, then just switch it off. And as you can see, her eyes are a reddish color, but they turn green when you turn it. Ready? Now look at her eyes. They're like a bright yellow. Staring into your soul.